Interior stairs. Inspect the handrails regularly. See if the screws are tight. Inspect the cap tet if existing. Glass stairs. Inspect the glass regularly. Look for cracks around the connections. The glass needs to be repaired or replaced if cracked. Outside stairs. If your stairs have wood, apply a new coat of varnish every 1 or 2 years. Inspect for rust regularly. Look for rust near solder points and all metal parts. If you live near the sea, it's a good practice to rinse the metal with fresh water to avoid salt corrosion. Regularly tighten every screw. Be attentive to cracked or broken parts.